Hi, Dick Rochfort here. This is the G500 TXI installation in the Piper Meridian. It has replaced out the Avidyne 2009 original panel, and this is really way better for a lot of reasons. But I wanted to tell you about the vertical nav portion of this. All of these are a little different. Typically, the way I would coach somebody through this is from the flight plan to do a VNav along track, and that's just fine. We've done that. -5 before the airport at 1,700, which is basically pattern altitude, and that generates a profile or a top of descent that we like. However, in this one, in the TXI, that doesn't follow to the angle of descent.
November 0 Foxtrot Golf, descend and maintain.
So what we need to do is come over to the PFD and choose, go ahead, explain it. So we're going to go to VCalc, sorry, yeah, VNav, and choose menu. And now then the default when you get the equipment is 3 degrees, which for reasons I'm about to explain is a little too steep for this aircraft. And some of my valued viewers have been critical of a less than 3 degree slope. What's good for the goose is good for the gander, or so it goes. The problem is, in a single engine, single pilot turboprop, 3 degrees will require a power change that is excessive in my view. So I recommend a 2.2 default flight path angle, which will more closely resemble a 1,000 foot per minute VS to target. And now then, that will require or allow you to come back to 500 foot-pounds of torque, which means when the airplane levels off at the lesser altitude, you will scroll into 130 knots, which is VA and ice penetration. So it's one-stop shopping. It's a pitch power configuration that you can live with. An experienced pilot, perhaps with a first officer, can pull the power back even to flight idle for the descent, but it requires precision on the reset of the power after the descent is arrested by the autopilot. Otherwise you can get slow in a hurry. So I recommend 2.2 degrees on that flight path angle. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely.
Yeah, 755, contact Jacksonville Center,
Train off.
125.05.